hopefully I did it right. So I did it right, so I did my reservation. I am the first one here, he said. So you just basically go in, he checks you in. He checks for your first name and last name and your receipt number. Okay, all the way here. Okay, yeah.
Arrive at your destination.
All right, so we arrived. All right, this trail is 3.5 miles. Let me show you the information. Okay, so we are here, Ma. We're here, and we have to go all the way to B.
Nice.
So we're gonna cross the mountain. There's supposed to be like a waterfall or river we have to cross. We see how much water there is. Hopefully we can cross it. Oh, we're under the bridge. So we got a tip from a hiker that to get to the waterfall, you gotta make sure you go to the trail under the bridge. And if you keep left, then you'll make it here. Look. See, there was another trail that took you on top of the bridge. And if you keep left, then you go under the bridge. So hopefully we get to see the waterfall. And the rocas. No. You gotta go through here.
No, for down place.
This little shack right here. What is this? Ooh. Oh no. That's weird. You okay?
Yeah, okay.
Well, if we get lost, we have a lot of time to go back. That's the good news. But it's very confusing if you don't know the area. Oosh, we gotta go down there. You can hear the water, so we're close. Yep. Aww. So pretty. So after an hour later, we made it. Oh my gosh. It's like this hidden spot. It's really nice. Water is like ice cold, but it's so clear, pretty. Worth the hike. There's a couple of deer right in front of me. We're gonna go very slow. There is in the shade. Chilling. Aww. I think they saw us. Look at that. Okay, so we're done from our hike. This was a 3.5 mile hike. There's porta potties, there's a little waterfront, the water barely comes out. I want to say it was moderate because there were some rocks and we have to cross a little creek a total of 6 times. We managed not to get wet. So that was a plus. It is so beautiful out there. You can meditate, you can hear the waterfall. I think it's one of my favorites so far. You are 50% of the way there, you're in the shade, but the other half you're pretty much out in the open, so make sure you bring your sun protection. And so yeah, those are the porta potties right there, so sorry about that. But yeah, you do need to make a reservation to get here. It doesn't cost anything, you just have to reserve your spot a day before. I'll put the link how to get your reservation on the description box below. And yeah, I loved it. And the hike wasn't too bad, like I said. It's just moderate because you gotta go through the rocks and have to test your balance. But my mom loved it, I loved it. So yeah, this was Eaton Canyon Trail. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments box below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Or let me know where you'd like me to go next. We're not sure where to go after this. Stay tuned. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!